I'm Tina Michael from Kaduna State I'm an RI supervisor.
All right.
And Kaduna, I'm in Nigeria.
All right, wonderful to meet you. Tina. Have you attended Teach to Reach Connect before?
No, I haven't.
All right, so I would like to warmly welcome you and hope that your connectivity will be as good as it seems to be right now because you have an excellent connection. We hope you'll enjoy networking on Friday. Let me go actually to Abubakar Mohammed Garba. So he is a young doctor. He's going to introduce himself to you, Tina, and let me ask him, Abubakar, are you able to please introduce yourself and tell Tina what she should expect? Will you welcome and support her on Friday at Teach to Reach Connect 4?
Hello, good morning. Am I audible?
Yes, there seems to be a lot of background noise. Yes.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, please go ahead.
Yes. I think your voice is breaking.
Yeah. Good morning. Good afternoon, Ms. Tina. I am Mohammed Abubakar Garba. I'm also calling from Nigeria in Gombe State. During Teach to Reach Connect, you will have a discussion with global immunization professional, with immunization experts. There is many more as far as you are expecting. So you will learn a lot about immunization and other health activities. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And Tina, of all the things that we've laid out for you, what you heard about the program, what is of the greatest interest to you? Why are you making the efforts, taking your precious time to attend on Friday?
I want to know more about the immunization schedules, and I think I want to get more educated. You know, they say experience is the best teacher. I'd like a situation where most of the problems I'm having in my own place are probably insecurities and hard to reach places. So in this very forum, I should be able to learn how to reach them, how to be able to give more awareness to these people.
Wonderful, Tina. Thank you. I hope that you will be able to learn this and more from your colleagues as well as share your own experience. Wonderful. Let me go to, let me see if we can hear maybe from one more person, Mary Nana Ama Adomako. Or let me try Mary Goretti again to see if there's another person who's an alum, who's been in Teach to Reach and who'd like to share with you what to warmly welcome you as well. Mary Nana Ama Domako, please go ahead. Tell us where you're connecting from and what is your message for Tina Michael, who's going to be joining Teach to Reach Connect for the first time on Friday.
Hi, Tina and Michael. Welcome to this educative community. I'm glad you joined. Yes, and you will not regret. It's very educative, insightful as well. And we tend to share experiences from each other. That is what Radha was talking about, different from the other webinar sessions. This one is more interactive. You get instant interaction with other colleagues across the continent, which is very helpful practically. So you know what you are sharing and learning is practical on the field. And I hope you stay and learn more with further web sessions. Thank you and welcome.
Thank you very much, Ms. Margaret. Thank you.
Wonderful, Tina Michael. Thank you. Let's offer a round of applause for Tina and all of the other scholars who are going to be joining for the first time on Friday, as well as every one of you who is returning for more. Thank you so much, Tina. We appreciate your participation. We appreciate your commitment that you're opting in to join us. You don't have to do this, and yet here you are. We also want to acknowledge Leke Emmanuel Raphael from Niger, as well as Maman Bougaud Bakr, also from Niger. So wherever you are, you have one last thing to ask you, and you're going to see it's very simple. It'll take a few seconds, but it can make a whole lot of difference. This is networking, so the more people network, the better for everyone involved. Let me show you what I mean. When you go to the Teach to Reach page, if you have not done this yet, do this at least once. You click on the little WhatsApp icon here, and then you'll see within a few seconds, you'll get this message, send the following on WhatsApp. And what you're sending to WhatsApp is the invitation to join Teach to Reach Connect. So you click on allow, and boom, that's going to go to your WhatsApp, and you'll be able to share the invitation with your colleagues. It doesn't just cost anything, and there is no limit. So the more, the merrier, the better the quality of the experience that we will all have, the greater we are in numbers. Tina, can you think of colleagues who would like to join you on Friday, or will you be the only one from your location?
As it stands now, I think I'm the only one. My other colleagues who would have loved to join them, they are in school and they're having a little bit of difficulty connecting. But I think for now, I should be the only one connecting from my area. So whatever it is that I learn, I'm going to upgrade them and then let them know what it is and what it is about. So you don't just tell them to come and join Teach and Reach without understanding what it is about. But by the time I'm through and I think I would have gotten more experience, I should be able to invite them.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Tina. I think that's another round of applause for Tina Michael. Greetings to Kurar Shah from Pakistan. Thank you so much.